Hello everyone. Today I'm going to uh, speak about to-do list that we have to create, and now I will show the list. Then we will discuss some basic steps. Since I noticed that my friends doing much work on their videos, and they were so long that most of the uh, watchers, people that watch, will not watch the whole video. I will try to explain just the basics that you need. So now our server runs, and here in our side we have to localhost. This is our to-do list, and here we write our list, edit to the list. Then here we can search, for example, we and we even can delete. So how to do this? This is my code. Here is index.html. There is our HTML, and here we create bottoms, the stuff that you see. Here is our client that sends us requests and how it does. And here is the server.js, that how our server gets requests and answers to them. Now let's start our code from server.js. There is nothing to discuss in index.html, since it's nothing interesting, just some basic HTML. Here we require HTTP and FS modules that we will need in our code, and we create to-do list. There is empty array here, and then we create our server and give it to it some cases to understand what it will do when something special happens. For example, when we get request of the method here, when we get method of get, we just response the to-do list we have. We send it back. We make string, since in server we send and get only JSON strings. Here, stringify, there is the function. Else, when the method is post, when it's post, we get the obj, that object, which become JSON string, and here we parse it from string to object, and make it equal to object. There is a constant variable here. Then since it's already the object was already object, there is equal to this will also will be object. So we add to it an attribute ID. There is we give it ID, which is met.random. There is number which is randomly chosen, and after all we push this to our original to-do list that we created here. Then what we do, then we again we make it. As a result, we take stringified JSON of our to-do list, and here we checked we when our method comes to put, we check how it changed. Oh, one sec. Okay, so the other step is the same, is being done with the same logic. I think there's nothing to explain. Here, when there is when the request that we get is not any of these cases, we just read file, and after this slash, what we see, we add it to our oh, where is it? Where is our Alice? Okay, so we add it and run. If the file is from public, here public, if it's index.html, it will run this code. If not, we can for example add here some other files, and if we call them, we will get the result as data and that file, and it listens to our port 8080. So here is the client when how it sends requests, and here when we delete to do, it calls Ajax. There is jQuery's function, and it what do I have to say here? Okay, I think it's pretty simple, the other stuff, so I don't see something interesting to explain you here. So okay, bye.